Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. On YouTube, I believe that everybody deserves to succeed. This platform is such a big platform that every single person can succeed on. On this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the things that you can do to build up your watch hours. I'm not going to be selling you any BS. So this is something that you've probably not done before. And if you apply everything that I'm going to talk about on this video, I am very sure that your watch hours is going to go from a 0 to 100. Now, getting a 4,000 watch hours is one of the criteria that you need to get monetized. So make sure that you're doing these things. And the very first thing on my list is having a playlist. Now, I know that you've heard about having a playlist, but I'm sure you have probably not been doing it this way that I'm about to talk about. So please listen and make sure that you are taking notes. So now you already have a playlist. If you don't have a playlist, make sure that you have one. Make sure that you put your video on a playlist because you want your viewers to binge watch your videos. You don't want them watching one video and then moving on. You want to keep them on your video. So when you have a playlist, what do? Now you go on your playlist, click on your playlist, and at the top of your video on your browser, you're going to see a link there. All you have to do is copy this link, and then the next thing you do is when you create a video, what you do is to make sure that you go on your comments and post this link on your comment telling people to watch that video, right? So now you're doing like a call to action. If they click on that link, instead of the link sending them to one video, you're going to see that your playlist is going to be opened. They're going to be able to watch 1, 2, 3 or more of your video, and that way your watch hour is increasing, right? Even if it is one person that views 2 of your videos as opposed to viewing 1 of your videos, you're increasing your watch hours, right? Now I'm going to give you an example. Mr. A has, a cup. Mr. B has a cup as well, and Mr. A, they're trying to quickly fill up their cup. Mr. A is filling his cup with 1 spoon, and Mr. B is filling his cup with 2 spoons. Now they're doing the same thing but in a different way, and one is doing it in a more smarter way. Now who do you think is going to get that cup filled up quickly? Mr. B, right, that has 2 spoons filling a cup. So you have to work smart on YouTube to be able to get results. So 2 might not be so big, but 2 is bigger than 1. So whatever way it is, even if you don't have a lot of people watching that playlist, because you have now given opportunity for people to watch more of your videos, you are going to build up your watch hours faster. Now another thing that you need to be doing, make sure that you're putting out videos that are valuable. If you have videos that are valuable, make sure that you create a video that is valuable, and then make sure that that video has a way to connect to another video. Like this video now, I'm talking about watch hour, and I know a lot of people want to increase their subscribers. What I can do is to now do another call to action at the end of my video. Now you're not only having a hook at the beginning of your video, you're having a hook at the end of your video. Most people would expect you to say, oh, this is the end of this video, thank you for watching. But instead of doing that, have a hook at the end of your video. Talk about another video that is kind of linked to the video that you're talking about. Make sure that you're linking this together, and what happens is that when people click on the next video that you're talking about, YouTube will find a connection between those 2 videos instead of them recommending, because when your video finishes, YouTube will usually bring another video up next, right? So instead of YouTube bringing someone else's video as something that is up next, now your video would come up next when YouTube sees that a lot of people are going to watch that video. So now you have kind of linked those 2 videos together. And another thing that you can do to make sure that YouTube is not recommending someone else's video is to make sure that you're adding end screen. I've talked about this before. Add end screen that are related to that video so that your viewers can connect and be able to click on that video. Now, another way to build your watch hours is to have audience retention. How can you do this? Make sure that you're putting out content that people are enjoying. So the best way to do enjoyable content is, one way to do it is by storytelling, right? You can use stories to pass your messages. You can use examples. Don't be boring. Make sure that you're doing things in an interesting way to pass a message. Storytelling is very powerful. People like to hear stories because they are interesting, right? So you can use stories to pass out your idea, and this would definitely keep people on your channel, and this will give you more watch hours. Now, 3 minutes video would not give you a lot of watch hours. If you're creating videos, make sure that your videos are long. If you have an 8-minute video, you're going to get more watch hours on that video than the watch hours you get for a 3-minute video. So make sure that you're making your content long. And if you're scared that people would not watch your content, my dear, I have a content that's about 10 to 11 minutes long, and that is my second most viewed video on this channel. So the longer your video is, the more watch hours you get. So stop creating videos that are 4 minutes, 3 minutes long. Create longer videos, and then you're building your watch hours. Now, I've heard a lot of people telling people to go live to build watch hours. If you don't do this in a strategic way, you're not going to get any watch hours. If you're going to go live, the way you're giving value on your videos should be the way you're giving value on your life. Either you're entertaining, educating, or inspiring. Don't do lives that are not related to your long form videos. Do lives that can keep your viewers engaged. Either you are educating them on something, or you're entertaining them, or just give value so that people can stay on your live. When you have people staying on your live videos, you can build your watch hours, right? Now, you don't have to have 1,000 views to go on live. You can start going live now and start building a community, right? Building a community is one way to make sure that you're building your watch hours. When you have a community, when you have a set of people that love your content and would always watch your videos, then you get to build your watch hours. Make sure that you're building a community. Make sure that you're branding, you're having a brand. If you come on my YouTube channel, if you look at my thumbnail, you would see a very similar pattern to my thumbnail. There's a lot of similarity. That is branding. Let people be able to identify you for something. It can be the way you talk, it can be the way you edit. Just have a brand. That way you get people who are able to connect to you. It can be your kindness, it can be the way you are able to uplift people. Just find something that you're good at. You have a gift. Find something that you're good at. If you're able to identify that, you will get people who are able to relate to you. That way you're building a community. And when you have a community, fans are very, very wonderful. When you have fans, they would stick by you. They will watch every video that you put out there. I've spoken about optimization. You have to learn. I have videos on how to optimize your posts. You have to watch that, because if you are not optimizing your videos, you might not even show up in the search rank. So make sure you're optimizing your videos. Watch that video to make sure you know how to optimize your videos, and then your videos will definitely meet the right audience and will turn into a community. I have said it before and I'll say it again. If you do all these things that I have mentioned, if your video is not good, if you're not giving value, you would not go anywhere. So work on yourself. There's nothing that you cannot do. I don't believe that there's anything that you cannot do. You can improve on yourself if you are willing to. So just be open to learning. Work on your thumbnails, work on your videos, work on your scripting. Every new video that you post should be better than the ones that you had before. Go back and watch your old content. It would help you see where you're lacking and what you should fix. So make sure that you're improving in one way or the other. Work on yourself, right? And then you start seeing growth, and the sky would be your starting point. So I'm going to be going live on Thursday. I don't know when this video is going to come up, if it is going to come up on Thursday or today, which is Wednesday. I'm filming this on Wednesday. However, just take note that I would be doing a free audit for channels, just to help them grow. Even if you have not indicated interest in this, you can join my live video because you can learn from other people's mistake. So I am going to be showing you how you can elevate your channel. So the live is going to be going up. I'm going to be going on live on Thursday. I haven't decided on the time. There's a poll on my community tab. Please go there and please, you can vote for a time that you would like me to come live, because I want to make sure that everybody is able to come on live with me. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe if you found this helpful. Give me a thumbs up. I love when you guys comment. You guys already know that. Please give me feedback on the comment section, and I will see you in